welcome back to the Adventures of Saul Goodman. Oh my god, you have so much hay in your hair. We're both a little bit of a hot mess. Hey, head up. He's learning a new cue, and that's to keep his head up. Yeah, because I've been threatening you with the beat stick, but I don't actually want to use the beat stick. I don't want to actually ride with a crop. Yeah, I just want you to listen, so flex your head. Thank you. Hey, head up. So I'm just going to wiggle it. Hey, what are you doing? You see something? Head up. I'm just going to ask him. Keep set up. I didn't even do my stirrups. That's okay. I have a cigarette because I'm stressed as fuck. Deal with this. Now, hey, head up. You're a good boy. Hey, what are you doing? Are you itching? Oh, you're pawing. You know, you're a dick. Mr. Impatient. So yes, welcome back to another adventure. I have been sick since Monday. And obviously I haven't ridden. I even canceled my riding lesson yesterday because I still had a fever. I still rode yesterday. I just went for a little ride around the block because it was so damn nice. The sun was out. All that jazz. I was like, yeah, ain't no way. Ain't no way I'm not doing it. And we had to take a detour. I've actually been taken away that I've never gone before. And that's around the block, basically. We take the left where it says no horses beyond this point. But we take the road. We don't go to the park. So, yeah. Equilab. Let's start trucking. Good boy. So yeah, I have to go on a pretty quick ride. I gotta be out of here. And I gotta go pick up a cake. But I'm not that far from the grocery store, about a half hour maybe. Hey, that's dirt. He thinks it's poop. Come on, buddy. I see poop up there. Yeah, I see poop. I think that's your poop. Maybe. It might be more dirt. It's kind of cold. Yeah, it's kind of cold. Yeah, that's what those people were spraying the other ride. I don't know if I caught that on camera. I'm so backed up on all my videos. Whoops. I know we're fully charged. I just don't know if I have storage. I should, because like I said, I haven't been doing anything. You gotta stop and smell all the dirt and all the new pavement. Ugh. So I brought some aster seeds, but not without first apparently spilling them in my pocket, which pissed me off. So I put them in a plastic bag in case the cap comes off again. That way I don't lose any. Pretty expensive, man. Little packets of seeds for what you get. Yes, I already know what's coming. Sniff, sniff. It's dirt. Oh, they got more dirt over here. Damn, whoever was here is messy. Okay. Alright, come here. I'm gonna use this sign to put out my cigarette. Actually, wait. I'm gonna use light post because it's black. Yeah, let's not deface the signs. You want to smell this too? Really? We've never been down here. No. No, we've never been down here. Come on. No, there's nowhere for us to go. There's nowhere for us to go down there. Come on. You're being mischievous. Head up. You're being mischievous. Yeah, you are. Or, I mean, horses can't do that. Although I really do think they're smarter than me. This is pretty much out. Anyway. Walk on. Dude, I know how good the grass looks, but you're not getting any. Not yet. Not yet. I'm sorry. I'm putting this in my pocket. No littering. That's right, no littering. Looks like we got a trimmer down there, but they'll definitely be done by the time we get down there, right? Right. We got our scoop boots on. Still got them. I had to wash his his little feet today. He had dirt caked on. He's actually going a decent pace. Yeah, he was a lot slower yesterday. He was like molasses. Yeah, he was like molasses. A little bit warmer, like I said. Threw the bareback pad on. I said, go. You do all the work. If you have a trained horse, they pretty much will. I don't have to ask him to do much. Just not eat the grass. Point him in a direction and keep his head up. That's it. Huh. That's what we do. Huh. As adventurers. Brrr. Got my Carhartt on. My neck is cold. Yeah, my neck. That dog even has a jacket. Yeah, even that dog has a jacket. Maybe we'll just go around to the woods and back. What? You looking at his jacket? It's very fashionable. Mm-hmm. It's a very nice jacket. Alright, stop being nosy. I don't know what they did to this tree here, but they really chopped it up. They had the tree guys come through here, like I said, but this was like this, well, I guess maybe they came from this direction, but yeah, we saw this first, and we were like, what the heck? Come on. Come on, you saw this yesterday. Somebody cleaned up all the branches. It's just a tree, bruh. It's just a tree, bruh. Thank you. Yeah, thank you. Yeah, thank you. Anyway, alright, you can have your rein back. Bad boys. You're a bad boy. Just kidding. He's a good boy. We passed it yesterday. You were all up in it too. He was sniffing it. He was like, ooh. I just remember I said, just don't eat it. That's right, just don't eat it. Brr. I wonder when I'm gonna have to put the rain sheet back on. He wore his blanket the other day too, because it dropped down to like 25 or some shit, maybe even lower. Yeah, so I put his brother's blanket on, his little teal one. Yeah, the mid-weight. I don't really I have a heavy, a mid, I don't really have a light, I have a rain sheet. And then I have the other two. Hi Gatsby! Bye Gatsby! Sorry, can't waste no time. Are you gonna stop and smell the poops? Alright here. Yeah. Really? Come on. Sneaky. Good man. Cheeky little bastard. Yeah, you're cheeky. Alright, how long have you been riding? See if I'm missing anything. Alright, we've already been riding for like 10 minutes. What? Come on, trot. Woo! What are you doing? I think it might have been that rope he was looking at. Alright, it gets rocky. He's like, no. Fine. Come on. You don't need to smell all that. One day, I swear to God, I yelled at him because he was like about to lick it. I'm like, bro, cancer. I mean, it reminds me of that one video with the tractor. Oh my god, they're still there. Well, just have to deal with that. Yeah, we're just gonna have to deal with that shit. Somehow. I would have thought they would have been done doing that bullshit. But I guess not. Alright. Try. Come on. Like I said. Maybe we'll just go up to the cemetery and back. It's okay. Oh, they cut more here. It's okay. Good boy. I'm giving him a little scratch. You're okay. You're okay. And easy. Yeah, now we're going downhill. Oh, for fuck's sake. Why do these guys gotta ruin my fucking plans? Will I have to get off? I might. I might just get the fuck off because I don't feel like dealing with this shit. Looks like we got another guy backing the fuck up, maybe pick up all the dumb shit. Ah, bruh. I think I'm just gonna go on the road. I'm just gonna go fuck around. I'm on the road. Just the fuck. What the fuck else am I gonna do? I feel rain. Come on. Looks like they kind of stopped for us. Oh. Down, down, down. Good boy. I know, we never go this way. Down, down, down. Come on. I know. Look at it. You're okay. You're okay. I know, we're almost there. You, come on. We're directing traffic. You're okay. Yeah, see, the cars are okay. That shit, not okay. Good boy. I know. Woohoo! I know, huh? Here, you wanna go? Oh, buddy, what was that? That was a little wild, huh? Yeah, that was a little wild, huh? He's like, woo! Crazy! Ah! I feel sprinkles. Yeah, I feel sprinkles. Excuse you. I saw you looking at him. No bullshit. Don't give me any bullshit, buddy. Yeah, I'm gonna take you onto the grass. No, we're not eating the grass. We're not eating the grass. Ready? Canter. Good boy. Come on, Canter. Good boy. Look, he's cantering too. Come on. Good boy. Go, 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 go. Shh. Good boy. Shh, shh, shh. Go. What did you see? Dirt? Alright, let's do a boot check. Alright, we still got our boots. Alright, come on, let's go through the field. We're not eating the grass. We're not eating that grass. Woo! What a detour we had to take. Yeah, we've never had to do that. Yesterday they were on the narrow part, so there was no way in hell. I was like, I'm not gonna. There was no room to get around nothing, so that's why we hooked the left. It's a little muddy out here. Hopefully you don't lose a boot. I rode in them mud straps once, and I got that on camera. They didn't do jack shit. No, they didn't do jack shit, did they, buddy? Good boy. You know I got an apple waiting for you. Yeah, you deserve it after that. You did really good. You did so good. Yeah, you did so good. He didn't even bucket the canner. He's tossing his head after that. He was feeling himself. Yeah, he was like, oh my God. That was some scary ass shit. They're probably still gonna be there when we get back too. I'm gonna be pissed if they're on the damn trail again. They shouldn't be. They should be done. But if they're fucking, if they're like, oh, I swear to God, I'm gonna be pissed. But it is what it is. I'm not mad that anybody's out there doing their job. Unless you're physically physically antagonizing him, trying to get him to react. I don't really give a shit what anybody's doing. Go on, poop. This seems to be the poop area. Yeah, this is the poop area. Is somebody cutting the grass up there? Poops. Are you good? Come on. Somebody cutting the grass up there? We're gonna have to dodge them too? Haha, we're gonna have to dodge them too? We'll see, we'll see. We'll get through it. Could just be somebody over there. I don't see anybody in the baseball field. Maybe they could be at the church though too. Not that they don't really give a shit. I see him, I think. I think he's coming this way. Maybe not though. Maybe I'm seeing shit. Oh yeah, we're wearing rainbow today, so I guess everybody's gonna be like, look at them! Look at them, F-words! Yeah, he is. I see the dude out there. God fucking, motherfucking, fuck! Why? Why is everybody in our goddamn way today? We could just take the road too, it don't really fucking matter. What's the worst that could happen? Huh, what's the worst that could happen? Come on. Come on. Yeah, we can deal with it. Actually, if he comes down... Damn, he's going slow as shit. I was gonna say, if he came down faster, I could get around him and just blast up. Yeah, I could just get around him and blast up. You're good, you're good. No, we're not going over here. Sometimes we go over here. I make you go over to white stuff. You're okay. Go. Yeah, you've seen a lot worse today. Come on. Yeah, you've seen a lot worse today. Go. Go to grass. Come on. You're okay. Boy. Let's see what he does. You're okay. He's doing his job. Yeah, we're not interfering. Get back on the road. I don't think you'll poop anymore, but it's not really nice to poop on people's lawns. Not really care about the road. It's not illegal. Hell, the Amish do it all the time. Look how they treat their horses. Shit. I wonder if we have time to go down the road a little bit and like take that hunter's trail. Ooh, it's dirt. That's rocks. Goober. Guess we're glad we're doing this because we're learning a lot today. That's a mulch pile. Yeah, we're learning a lot today, aren't we? Yeah, we're learning a lot. Well, as long as nobody's behind us. It's okay. Oi, 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 oi. Boy. It's okay. Thank you. It's rocks. Oh, for the love of God. I feel like we've seen this before. Or did they just get this done? You always notice things I don't. But sometimes you make a big deal out of nothing. So I don't know. Who? And who? And who? Hopefully we don't get squashed. This person can slow down. This person can slow down. It's like, why are you still creeping? Where the cob at? Oh, I see him. I don't see little Jack Russell. I want to play on the swings. Yeah, I want to play on the swings. What are you looking at, huh? What? Stop eating that. Dum-dum. Oh my God, there's your poop from last time, you bad, bad boy. Terrible. Bad boy pooping at the church. At least you didn't poop on the playground. Right? At least you didn't poop on the playground. Come on. You pooped in the church parking lot. That's okay. Fuck the church. We don't believe in that dumb shit. It's 2025. Abolish all religion. All organized religion. Alright, what are we not gonna spook at? Flowers? Ah. Are we spooking at flowers? Okay, let's try this again. Whee! It's flowers. It's flowers. It's flowers. Good boy. You're a derp. You're a fucking derp. See, this is why I opted to do nothing yesterday, because I knew he was going to be a butt. Alright, we gotta definitely start heading back. Here, go through the grass. Woo! Goober! Goober, goober, goober. Can you... Not by the briar! Boy, move your... Okay. Oh, okay, we're brushing our forelock with it. Come on! That one! Okay, that one's fine too. But the one right there... Boy, to the left. To the left. Thank you. That's the one I wanted you to eat. Very good. Let you eat a little bit of grass back here. I feel like I'm dying. I just told Andy Goodman's being goofy today. He's being good though. Nothing wrong with him. He's just a goof. He's just looking at everything like he never seen it before in his damn life. I can feel myself getting like tired still. Like this is taking a lot of energy. Yeah, this is taking a lot of energy. You know, using my was that a fucking fake poinsettia? Yeah, I see like old, I guess this is old trash from the headstones. Flower pot. Aww. He's like, Num 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 num. Yeah, it's definitely not a real poinsettia growing with glitter out of it. Oh, you gonna get that one? Dude, you're like in the trenches. Apparently the best grass is surrounded by rocks and not that over there. Surrounded by grass. Gotta love it. Oh, he's gonna go for that, watch. Boot check. Still got him. Good job, bud. Alright, you're getting a little too into the shit. Hey, head up. Head up. Head up. Good boy. Alright, come on. Aha, it's working. Hey! A little bit. Don't try to eat that. Don't. Horse. This way. He's like, oh yeah, remember that grass you were talking about? I want it now. He said, you said it was good over here. Well, that's not what you chose. Maybe next time. Make better decisions, Goodman. Make better decisions. How about that? I mean, I'm sorry. Light pats. Light pats are okay. Yeah, I've been getting way better at scratching. He loves a good wither scratch and a belly scratch. He does. He can get his little mouth going. Yeah, get his little mouth going. What are you looking at now? What in God's name are you looking at now? Come on. Come on. What? Alright. Trot. Okay. Being good. Oh, look, another jogger. Yes, we've seen them before. Yeah, we've seen joggers before. Come on. On a path. Go. Head back in the game now. Boy. Oh. Oh, I think it's like lightly raining. Yeah, that feels like raindrops. Sounds like it too. Hopefully the camera don't get all wet. Although I think it's water resistant. Come on. Come on, keep that energy. What are you doing? No. What are you looking at? Oh my God. Every direction but the one we're going. Easy. Good job. Good job, buddy. Alright, I think we're good. Oh God, tired. Okay, gonna ask for that right lead. Feels like it. We're not stopping to smell the poop. Don't even think about it. Easy. Alright, I see that guy parked up. They look like they're down the trail a little bit further. They're 100% still there. Looks like we're not going to be spreading any seeds other than in my pocket. Oh shit. He thinks I have a treat. No, bud, it's seeds. I'm sorry. I'm sorry. I have apple for you waiting. Aw. I'm sorry. Buddy, buddy, buddy. Yeah, I gotta get the fuck back. Because got an attack. You know, throw him out. Get his food ready for tomorrow. Because I bring home alfalfa pellets. I soak them on the way to the barn. And I gotta go get the cake. I can go home for a little bit. I'm definitely not working tonight. My friend's fucking crazy if she thinks I'm gonna work like this. Because then they're not gonna let me, one, go home if I feel worse. And two, there's nowhere to rest or like lay down. So yeah. Hard no. Hard nope. It's a hard nope. Alright, we're gonna canter this. Yeah, we're gonna canter this. Ready? Good job. Good boy. Yeah, we gotta get home. We gotta get home. We gotta deal with that BS again. Yeah. Lean back. Lean back. Lean back to the rockaway. Lean back. And then lean forward. Ah. Good job. Good job. Go, 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 go. Easy. Ah, good job, buddy. You're a good boy. You're a good boy. Oh my God, I'm so tired. I need water. I need food. Like, I need sustenance. You know what I should get? A fucking smoothie. Yeah. After this, I'm gonna get a damn smoothie. Some vitamin C and shit. Hell yeah. Oh God. Them motherfuckers are in my way. God damn it. Whatever. That's how you know I'm sick. Coughing and I'm not smoking. Fucking, it actually felt better. I was coughing so much Monday. It actually felt better when I was smoking a cigarette because it was the only time I wasn't coughing. Ain't that sad? And again, I was stuck at my other job. They wouldn't let me leave. They let me stay and lay on the couch. I thought I just had period cramps. I was coughing up a motherfucking storm. Rest in peace to everybody that was there that night because they're gonna die. They're all gonna get it. Should've let me go home. Although I carpooled with my girl, like I just would've went back or had my boyfriend get her. I was dying. It's not like me to tap out. It's really not. And I thought it was period cramps, which is why I was like, fuck it, I'll go to work, because usually I can get out of it. Like, not get out of work, but like, after moving around for a while, I usually don't feel it anymore, you know what I mean? They kind of just go away. So, I know, bud. I should be working on transitions, but I want to get back. And he hasn't been ridden in a while, so he could use the exercise. Oh, yeah. Maybe, just maybe we can get around it. It seems like they're stopped. Probably for lunch. I don't know. We'll see. We'll see if I can get them around it. Or I'll just take the road. Go, it's a bike. You've seen a bike before. Oh, yeah. Like, dude, you're the least of our problems. Go, 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 go. No smelling poops. Alright. Do I feel like dying? I'm sick. I really don't feel like dying. I kind of feel like getting them around it though. Oh, see, they got it back on. Easy. And slow it down. Alright, and walk. Alright, we're not going to get around them. They're all up on the trail. Ugh. Yeah, they're all up on the trail. Or I could walk them by it. I don't know. Should I just walk them by it? Yeah, let's get off and walk them by it. See what he does. And mount up by the other block. Oh, I'll get off. Oh. Hey. Hey, head down. I know you're looking. Head down. Come on. Come on. Yeah, you're gonna see. How's it going?
Nice weather last week.
Oh yeah. Gotta ride when I can.
Huh?
I said I gotta ride when I can.
Yeah, that's right.
See, it's not so bad. I know. Come on. Yeah, I got time to get off. Here. No, you're gonna smell this one too. Come on. And I'm getting on right here. Come on. Come on. You almost running into me. Look. Go smell it. Don't you dare. Don't you dare try to run me over. Come on. You've seen that damn truck before. Oh. Oop. Oh. Hey, head up. Come on. Good job, bud. There you go. There you go. That wasn't so bad. I'm glad I got to do that. You know, I'll get up close and let them look at it. All right, we still got our boots, right? Yeah. Bet. Oh God, I'm hot now. Whew. Go, 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 go. I'm dying. Leave me a good time. Go, 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 go. Yeah, I don't feel good. I really still don't feel good. Good boy, bud. You're a good boy, bud. I know, we dealt with all that scary stuff and they tore all this down. Yeah. They tore all this down. Go, go, go. That's a good boy. That's a good boy. He's got his relaxed walk on now. He felt, hey! Hey! Too relaxed. Don't make me pick up them reins, boy. Keep your head up. Keep your head up. You can eat when we get back, I promise. Oh, man. Damn, it took a lot. This took a lot out of me. Fuck. I felt like this after, like, I went to the mall yesterday. I know I'm not supposed to go places when I'm sick. But I don't know if you've been to a fucking mall recently. There's hardly anybody at the mall. Okay? Who am I getting sick realistically? Nobody. Nobody that I fucking care about. Boy, it's a stick. Wood chips. Come on. So, you know, and, you know, I'm handing shit over the counter. I'm using the card. You know what I mean? Most of the cashiers got gloves on now, too. So it's like, even, you know, pay cash, whatever. I got hand sanitizer, all that. But, like, bro, I had to get my friend a gift. So I went out, went to Lush, got her a big old box, got myself some shit. Dropped like $120 there, and they fucking gave me like, I'm not even kidding, like a dozen samples. I have like, hey, head up! I have like, no freaking lie, like 6 shower gels, at least 2 body scrubs, 3 hand soaps, and like some other crap. Like, I'm so serious. Amazing. Here, you want to eat the grass over here for a little bit? Here. This is like mostly onion grass. See all that long shit? It looks like onion. Yeah, that's all onion grass. Ew. Never mind. We're gonna go eat back at the barn. You got nicer grass back at the barn. I don't want you to have onion breath. I don't want you to have onion breath. That's nasty. I don't know. What if any mares come to your field? What are you gonna do then? Boot check. We stepped in mud, so. I'm dying. I'm fucking dying, guys. I'm sorry. I'm gonna go get me a vitamin smoothie with a lot of vitamin C in it. Immunity boost, energy boost, protein boost, all the fucking boosts. I'm gonna be so fucking boosted. Hey! Come on. Goodman, head up. Head up. Now you can walk on pavement because you can't be good. You eating the grass in between the poop. That's nasty. Although I guess that's everywhere in your field. Yeah, I guess that's everywhere in a horse field, huh? Still, it don't look like the good shit. Oh man, that's like my body took a turn. Y'all. Y'all. I don't feel good. Thank God you're a good boy. Yeah, thank God you're a good boy. He wasn't bad or nothing. He was just being a goofy horse, you know? Like, yeah. He fucking acts weird sometimes and doesn't go in every direction I tell him to because he thinks stuff is weird like that. Like, he was kind of like, oh, what the fuck is that the other day? I'm just like, we're just gonna get through this shit. It's fine. It's fine. I think I got some riding in when we had that good weather. I want to say yes. Oh, there's a dog. Big fat one. There's a ball, too. Worker. He was a good borker. Yeah, he didn't bork or nothing. He looks like he would make a big bork. Yeah, he looks like a big borker. You ready to go home, bud? Because I am. I'm cold. I need a smoothie. And I feel like death still. Head up. Yeah, don't even look at this grass. I'm sorry. Oh, man. Yeah, like shit is taking a turn right now. I need to sit down. Oh my god. This was a really, really, really nice ride though. I'm glad we did it. I feel like we learned a lot, didn't we? Yeah, we learned a lot of good lessons today. Same old ride, but it's never the same. That should be the video title. Same old ride, but never the same. Like sometimes I tell myself like, oh, I'm going to the cemetery, or oh, I'm just gonna go to the woods, or oh, I'm just gonna go to the creek, but it's not always boring, you know? It's not always the same ride. In fact, it's usually never the same ride. You never know. What's with the red bag of shit? What, are you gonna pee? Oh, you're pooping. Come on, bud, I gotta go. Good job, buddy. Hey, down here. I don't care if you're geeking out about that damn dirt. Come on, go. Don't worry about it. I don't give a shit. I need to get off. I dead ass need to get off, like now. I don't feel good. Okay. Faster, faster. I need to get off. Look at our pretty tree. Easy. Ah. Hey, we didn't lose a boot. Oh, I didn't know if he was gonna jump that or what. Ooh. Holy shit. Oh, good boy, bud. Hey, head up. Head up. Head up. What'd I tell you? Smile. Smile for being a goober. You're a goober. Oh my god, I gotta take this off. Alright, guys, see you on the next adventure. Hopefully I'm not dying. That was fun though.